Welcome to today's episode of our financial podcast. We have a huge topic lined up for you, cryptocurrency in 2025. Is it still a smart investment or is it just a massive trap waiting to collapse?
Oh yeah, this is something everyone is talking about right now. Some believe crypto is the future, while others say it's already dead. Jean, you're the expert here. Help us make sense of this.
That's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to break it all down, the current state of the crypto market, the biggest trends, the risks, and of course, how to invest smartly in 2025.
And we're not stopping there. We'll also cover regulations, long-term predictions, investment strategies, and at the end of this episode, we'll answer the million-dollar question. Is crypto still worth it in 2025?
That's right. This is going to be a deep dive with real-life examples, honest opinions, and powerful insights to help you make an informed decision.
So if you love financial content that tells it like it is, make sure to stay tuned until the end, because this might just change the way you think about investing.
All right, let's dive in. Before we get into where crypto stands today, let's take a moment to look back at how we got here. The last few years have been a wild ride.
Absolutely. I remember back in 2021 when Bitcoin skyrocketed to $69,000, and everyone thought we were heading to $100,000 or even $200,000. And then, bam, the 2022 crash hit.
Exactly. The FTX collapse, the Luna disaster, companies going bankrupt, it was a bloodbath. Bitcoin fell below $16,000, and everyone started saying, crypto is dead.
Yeah, but then something interesting happened. Crypto started coming back in 2023 and 2024. Institutional investors got involved, regulations started to stabilize, and suddenly we were back above $50,000, then $75,000. And now here we are in 2025.
And that's the key point, crypto never truly dies. It just evolves. The question now is, where do we go from here?
All right, John, let's break it down. What does the crypto market look like today in 2025?
Bitcoin is now sitting between $85,000 and $100,000. Ethereum is stable above $3,500. But altcoins? That's where things get crazy. Some are making 10x gains, while others are completely collapsing overnight.
Sounds like crypto is still evolving. What about the prices?
So let's break down the three biggest trends shaping crypto in 2025. Trend 1: Institutional adoption. Major banks, hedge funds, and pension funds are heavily invested in Bitcoin and Ethereum. This has created stability, but also more government control. Trend 2: AI and blockchain integration. AI-powered trading bots, smart contracts that self-optimize, and even automated portfolio management are now part of the crypto world. Trend 3: Meme coins and hype projects still thrive. Despite regulations and institutional money, people still love meme coins and get-rich-quick schemes. We're seeing crazy pumps and dumps even in 2025.
Classic crypto, right? Either you get rich or you get wrecked.
That's what everyone wants to know, right? How do I invest in crypto without losing my shirt?
All right, John, now let's get into the real money talk. We've looked at the state of crypto in 2025, but now the big question is, how do you actually make money in this market?
Exactly. Some people make millions while others get wiped out. What's the difference?
Exactly. Some people make millions while others get wiped out. What's the difference?
All right, let's start with the three smartest ways to invest in crypto today. 1. Long-term holding, hodling. The safest bet. The first strategy is the classic long-term investing, also known as hodling.
Well, let's break it down step by step. First, what are the smartest ways to invest in crypto in 2025?
Absolutely. Look at Bitcoin. Despite all the crashes, it has consistently gone up over time. Anyone who bought and held Bitcoin 5 years ago is still in profit today.
Right? The famous hold on for dear life strategy. But does it still work in 2025?
Exactly. Stick with the blue chips, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe a few solid altcoins. Ignore the noise and think long-term.
So the key is to hold strong assets and not panic sell?
That's where dollar-cost averaging DCA comes in. Instead of putting all your money in at once, you invest a fixed amount every week or month.
Okay, but what if someone is worried about buying at the wrong time?
Exactly. This way, you average out the highs and lows, reducing the risk of buying at a bad time.
So, for example, instead of buying $10,000 of Bitcoin today, I could buy $500 every week for 20 weeks?
Exactly. This way, you average out the highs and lows, reducing the risk of buying at a bad time.
That actually makes a lot of sense. It takes the stress out of timing the market. Now, what about trading? A lot of people want to make quick money in crypto.
Trading can be very profitable, but it's also high risk. You need to understand technical analysis, market trends, and risk management.
So it's not for beginners?
Not really. If you're just starting out, I'd stick with DCA and hodling. But if you want to trade, start small and never risk more than you can afford to lose.
So it's not for beginners?
Exactly. Risk management is key.
Got it. So if someone wants to trade, they should start with a small percentage of their portfolio and practice first.
Look, here's the truth. Crypto is neither 100% good nor 100% bad. It depends on how you approach it.
All right, John, it's time for the final verdict. Is crypto a smart investment in 2025? Or is it just one big mistake waiting to happen?
If you invest smartly, understand the risks, and focus on strong projects, crypto is still one of the best investments out there. But if you're chasing hype, investing blindly, and ignoring the risks, you'll get wrecked.
Break it down for us.
If you're thinking about investing in crypto in 2025, do your research, manage your risk, and think long-term. That's the way to win.
So, what's the final takeaway?
And with that, we wrap up today's episode. Make sure to subscribe, because next time, we're talking about how to prepare for a financial crisis in 2025. That's a must-listen episode. See you all next time.